Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. In this lockdown situation, let's unlock education. This video explains word and grammar related questions and their answers. These questions are from the first lesson and Astrologer's Day. Today, in this video, we will see word usage part 2. Let's begin the video with the first question. Here, you see the question highlighted in the red box. Question A3 is first on page number 10. Question: in the story, the following characters reveal their qualities through words and actions. Pick out the words that describe them from the box and write in the appropriate columns. Let's know the meaning of these words first, so it will help you to write words in appropriate columns. I have given meanings in Hindi as well for your help. Meanings: shrewd, a person who has or shows power of judgment. Arrogant, a person who has excess importance of one's ability. Overconfident, a person who has or shows excess confidence. Smart, that's you. Rational, a person who has belief based on reason or logic. Demanding, a person who insists of having things. Manipulative, a person who has influence over other person or situation. Caring, a person who cares others. Mean, a person who is selfish. Cunning, a person who has skills by cheat. Suspicious, a person who has doubt. Antagonistic, a person who shows opposition to someone or something. Skeptical, a person who has doubt. Protective, a person who protects someone or something. Intuitive, a person who is able to know because of feeling it is true. Humanistic, a person who supports humanism. Gullible, a person who is easily persuaded to believe something. Quarrelsome, a person who quarrels a lot. Mystical, a person who has communion with God. Sharp, an enthusiastic or active person. Aggressive, a person who is ready to attack. And last, impetuous, a person who acts quickly without thought or care. I hope you got all the meanings here. Now let's see the possible answer. These are the astrologers describing words. Then Guru Nayaks. And the last one, astrologer's wife. Now let's go to the second question. A3 is fifth on page number 11. Question: there are some phrases where the word crown is used with different shades of meaning. Use the following phrases to complete the sentences meaningfully. Let's understand first what phrase means. Phrase means a small group of words that has some sense or meaning. Let's see the meaning of shades of meaning. Shades of meaning means small differences in meaning and carry different view and idea, like the shades of pink color as you see here. Now let's know the meaning of the phrases to complete the following sentences. Crowning achievement means great achievement, masterwork. To crown the effect means top or highest effect. Crown of thorn means painful burden or suffering. Crowning glory means best aspect of something. Crown it all means final thing in a least positive or negative way. Now let's see the answers. First, A. The works of Shakespeare are the crowning glory of English drama. B. Amitabh has given us awesome movies throughout 5 decades, but his crowning achievement is his performance in the movie Black. C. In her pursuit of success, Radha has distanced herself from her family. Her fame has become a real crown of thorns. D. They threw a wonderful party for me with costumes, games, and crown it all, my favorite kind of ice cream. E. Medical science has great inventions, but organ transplantation is definitely a crowning achievement for human beings. I hope you got all the answers here. Now let's move to the last question of this video. A4, first one on page number 11 and 12. Question is, use the words given in the bracket and rewrite the sentences. It is like transformation of sentences. Let's see the answer of first 5 questions. There was a considerable enhancement in the power of his eyes. B. He worked and analyzed on mankind's troubles. C. He knew what would be happening to himself in next 5 minutes. D. If you get satisfaction from my answers, will you give me 5 rupees? E. He shook his head with regret. These are all the best possible answers. Let's see the last 5 answers. F. The crisscross of light rays bewildered him. G. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the wall, exclaimed the other and overwhelmed enthusiastically. H. You tried killing him. I will make preparation of some nice stuff for her. And last, J. The other heard it and groaned. I hope you have understood the questions and their answers. Viewers, do comment and tell how the video was. Your feedback will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe.